ChatGPT offers 7 different kinds of model for all of the use cases. And in my opinion, if you want to increase your productivity and use this ChatGPT for your day-to-day life, the most important models are these two models, 4O and O3. 4O is great at writing stuff, image generation, data analysis, or you can say literally everything. But if you want ChatGPT to actually think, take some time, and come up with advanced reasoning, step by step analysis, or like just the hard, heavy lifting, then you should go for O3. Personally, whenever I have to do some research work or get some advanced reasoning out of it, I use O3 model. And if I want ChatGPT to help me with some of the writing stuff, email writing, content writing, I use the 4O model. And rest other models are useful, and these are used whenever any brand uses the API of ChatGPT. Every model have a different pricing and different use case. So I have also summarized the models in my document over here. I have explained these two things. Now let's come to the O4 mini and GPT 4.1 mini. Almost they are similar. The only difference is O4 Mini is fast and clever. It can help you with analysis, mathematics, and some of the automations. But GPT 4.1 Mini is ultra fast. But the thing is, it is just great for simple stuff, not hardcore analysis or some deep analysis kind of things. Then comes the O4 Mini and GPT 4.1. Here, O4 Mini High is like great for visuals or coding. This claims were made in the article shared by ChatGPT itself. I will share this article in the description also. So if you want help with coding or visual stuff, you can use this model. The other model is GPT 4.1, which is similar to O4 Mini High, and it is great for step-by-step reasoning and more detailed version. But I think the better version is to use O3 only, and this GPT 4.1 is just the right version of it. And at the end comes the GPT 4.5, which is good in terms of research and writing. But I think we should prefer 4O model only. So we all know that if we are good at prompts, then the output is better. Now, most of the people are stuck over here. They think that they prompt in a way like they are searching on Google, but this is not how it works. I have came up with a framework on how you should prompt in ChatGPT to get the maximum output from it. So we should prompt in this framework